Hello. So just a short cycle today. It's a rare day in Scotland because it's not raining for once, which is excellent because cycling in the rain is shit. So just taking a few hours to appreciate a nice day, then gonna go home and chill. So when you're cycling, you want to make sure you maintain a good cadence. You want to give your legs spinning at a good rate, such as this. And what's this up ahead I see? Don't know if you can see on the camera, but I think it's a grinder. We'll soon find out. Yep, we definitely have a confirmed grinder up ahead. Going at a cadence of 0? Nah, maybe not 0. Confirmed grinder. You got smoked. Rest in peace, friend. To be honest, in this town I wouldn't be surprised if someone tried to run me over. It's not happened yet, but there's still time. So this is meant to be a cycle lane on the road, but as you can tell, it's full of fucking potholes, which isn't ideal for my slick ass tyres. But never mind, we live on. So one of the best parts about finishing a cycle is hat hair. What the fuck? Lovely. And of course, when your doggy is happy to see you. So, pretty decent cycle. It wasn't overly long, it wasn't overly hard. I just wanted to go out because it was nice outside, so yeah, I wasn't exactly trying to get any personal bests. Just wanted to go a cycle. I've not been out in about a week because the weather's been so bad, so yep. One thing I would have done better before I left today was eat a bit more, get more calories, more carbs in me. I felt a bit tired because I didn't take time to eat much. I just wanted to get outside and go. So yep, definitely if you're going to cycle, run, any sort of exercise, carb up, plenty of sugar, plenty of calories. You need that energy. And one last thing I would say, if you're a cyclist, runner, hiker, anything, I would 100% recommend downloading Strava. It's an amazing app. It tracks your speed, distance, time. You can do heart rate, you can do everything like that. It's just amazing. It's great. And here's a little clip of my Strava ride. So it was only 16.5 miles, an hour and 15, average speed 13.1 miles per hour. Like I said, wasn't trying to go too hard, too fast, just wanted to get out for the day, so yep. Download Strava, because you know what they say, if it's not on Strava, it didn't happen.